Hi, today to show you this is the web quest I made for my Algebra 1 class. I designed this is for students who already took the state testing and just basically they just have a month left of school and this is a little project for them to do before the end of the school year, and also hopefully by through doing this it kind of help them to review what they have learned in the past year. So here you go, the introduction, basically to ask them, this is their time to teach, rather I teach, and there's a task. Need to wait. The task, basically this is 3 in a group and will be 1. They all share the same equal, but they all share equal responsibility when they're doing the research, develop the web, when they teach. But I assign for each student to in charge. So it's just for each student, they know that's their responsibility to make sure it's on task, rather than everybody thought, oh, the other one will be doing it. So I assign that. I also make them make the final product for them. They can click it and then go into the one the final product I'm kind of looking for. Just get my idea to help them what they need to do. Then there's a process. The process, you can go in the process through here or by clicking the words or clicking the graph, the pictures. So let's go into the pictures. So here's all the topics. This is not everything they have learned during this year, but I thought it is important. So I just include all the important thing for the Algebra 1. They can pick any, or if they don't any of them, they can always consult me to use do the topic they would like to. They just have to check with me first. Then they have to research their topic. Pretty much they already know what to do. They kind of just refresh their memories. But I include, because this is teaching the lessons is really different as they first go. So I including what questions they need to ask themselves, and also the page that hopefully if they need more help rather than the textbook, so they go in to research the topic they chose. Then after they know, they understand the lesson, know the example they want to use, they can organize. This is an option for them to use. I have option 1, just do the way you would like to do, because I believe every student learn differently, and I just would like to provide them the option, but they can pick the one what will suit them the best, because my end result is for them to learn the topic and able to present, because I believe if you're able to present, that means you really know the topic. And there's an option 2. This is 3 different graphical organizer they can use. They don't have to use all 3, just same thing. I provide something for them to use. There's another one, MindMeister. This is a free software online they can use, which is already used in the other class, so they know how to use it. And the option 4, I included 2 links that actually give them more option about what they can do to organize their information in order to teach. Then there's MindMeister, just for them to go through, just in case they decided to use MindMeister, but they kind of forgot how to use it. This kind of refresh their memories. Then after they know what they want to talk about, there's a Prezi. Same thing. This is because since they're the first time teaching, and they might not know what they need to be included in the lesson. So I give them all these 5. They have to be included in the Prezi. So if they have all 5, they're pretty much a good lesson. And there's also the link for them to go to about Prezi, just in case they forgot how to use it. They used Prezi before. And there's about link to another about Prezi, just more in detail, just in case you forgot. This is how they can do. And then the presentation. The step 5 is presentation. You can tell them they have 5 to 10 minutes and they have to prepare. I might ask them some questions. Then the evaluation, I put it in 3 categories because I think they might understand the topic. Doesn't mean they are good presenter, like they know how to cross their idea, to present their idea. So there's a one about how much they understand the content and how they use the Prezi and how they present, teach a lesson. And there's a conclusion for them, just that they know after this project they have what they have learned. So hopefully they appreciate it, this project. And this is the teacher's page. This is for teacher that if they don't have time to look through all the process, everything, there's just a page they go to. They have a good idea why I made this, what's the logic behind, and then for what kind of learner, and the standard I use. I had link because since it's a free review, there's a lot of standard I covered, so they can click in to get more in details and the process. So they don't have to go through again. They don't have to go through the whole web quest. They're just looking at each process, what they need to do, what the student need to do, all that, and the resource they need, like what kind of equipment, other thing the teacher needs. And there's some notes that what if the teacher does not have a computer like we have in the classroom. And another suggestion that, well, if you don't want to do a review, you can do this, or the technology, you don't have the technologies, you can do that. And how I group the students, and maybe I group this way, maybe you can group that way. Just something like that for teachers. So everything what teachers need to create a lesson, or by using this web quest as a foundation of the teacher's project. So here you go. This is my web quest. And hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have time to go through thoroughly, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.